Hello everyone, welcome to D-Sales Academy German language course. In the last session, we learned the German alphabets. In this lesson, we will learn a few words related to these alphabets. Are you ready? So let's begin. In English, we say A for apple. Let's see how we can say it in German. A wie Apfel. A wie Apfel. The first one I will write on the board so that you can have a look at it. A wie Apfel. So we pronounce this word apple, Apfel. A wie Apfel. B. B wie Ball. In English we say it as ball, but in German we say it as Ball. B wie Ball. C. C wie computer. All of you know the computer. I don't have the computer hereby, but computer. C wie computer. D. D wie Drachen. That's a new word for you. You have not heard in English. Drachen is a kite. Kite. D wie Drachen. Computer, you know. It's written in the same way. Drachen. D wie Drachen. A. A wie Ei. A wie Ei. It's an egg. In German, we say it as Ei. A E I. A wie Ei. F. F wie Flasche. F wie Flasche. Flasche is a bottle. F wie Flasche. G. G wie Gitarre. G wie Gitarre. In English we say it as guitar, but you see in German we pronounce the word as it is written. Gitarre. G wie Gitarre. Then H. H wie Handy. Handy is mobile. H wie Handy. H wie Handy. E. E wie Ingwer. Ingwer is ginger. Ginger. E wie Ingwer. Then we have the letter Yacht. J. Yacht. Yacht wie Jacke. Yacht wie Jacke. A jacket. Yacht wie Jacke. I already told you J sound we don't have it in German, so instead of the sound is ya, so we read it as not Jacke but Jacke. Yacht wie Jacke. Next letter is K. K wie Kuli. K wie Kuli. It's an easy word to learn. K wie Kuli. Then we have the next letter L. L wie Lineal. L wie Lineal. Lineal is a scale. And how do we write that? Lineal. Lineal. L wie Lineal. Then M. M wie Messer. This is a messer. It's a knife. M wie Messer. Then N. N wie Nase. Nase is nose. Nase, nose. N wie Nase. Then O. O-V, orange. Orange, we pronounce slightly different, orange. O-V, orange. It is written in the same way. In English we read it orange, but German orange. Then the letter P. P, we are in packet. P, packet. It's a packet. P, packet, but written slightly different. Packet. P, packet. Q. Q, we don't have many words in German. Also in English we don't have many words. So I have taken an easy word, and that is the country Qatar. Q, Qatar. Q, Qatar. Q, Qatar. Then the next letter is R. R, V, rose. R, V, rose. A rose. In English we say it as rose, but in German we say it as rose. It is red as it is written. See, rose. Rose, rose. R, V, rose. Yes. Yes, V, sofa. Yes, V, sofa. I don't have a sofa here, but all of you have a sofa at home, so it is just like English. S, V, sofa. Then we have the next letter T. T, V, tasche. It's a bag. T, V, tasche. T, V, tasche. T, V, tasche. The next letter is U. U, V, Uhr. U, V, Uhr. Uhr is a clock. We can also say it as a watch. Your watch or a clock. U, V, Uhr. Next letter is V. V, ventilator. So you have heard the word ventilator, ventilator. In English, when people need oxygen, we use the device ventilator. But in German, if you say ventilator, something that gives us air, it is a fan. So all of you have a fan at home. So please look at your fan and say V, ventilator. V, ventilator. V, ventilator. Then we have W, and that is V. V, Wasser. V, Wasser. Wasser is water. You have the water. See the water. V, Wasser. So that is a word we can learn very easily, and we use water every day. V, Wasser. V, Wasser. Then the next letter is X. X is also, we don't have many words with X. Like in English we have X-ray, Christmas and so on, but we have the word xylophone in English, but in German we call it as xylophone. It's a musical instrument. You can see it is a xylophone. X, V, xylophone. X, V, xylophone. The next letter is Epsilon. Y is Epsilon, and Epsilon, I have taken the word yoga. Epsilon, you read the word yoga, and yoga all of you know, but still I have a picture for you, picture of someone doing yoga, so that will remain in your mind. Epsilon, V, yoga. Epsilon, V, yoga. And the next and the last letter is Z. The last letter is Z, and Z, V, Zucker. Zucker is sugar. Sugar, I have the sugar here. You can see the sugar. Z, V, Zucker. Z, V, sugar, sugar. Set V, sugar. Set V, sugar. That's it. So we have just learned 26 new words. Some of them are in English, but most of them are not in English. So you can be happy that you learned today 26 new words. And I told you there are 2 extra letters in German, scharfes S und tables. No words will begin with these letters. So you can be sure all the letters will begin with all these 26 letters. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe it and please share it with your friends. Till we meet again, cheers.